12 hours straight, quite the party marathon. Soca Plus adding up to lots of stamina. Skimpy outfits and busy bodies. Essentials covered, only young ones. These days, always a soca session around the corner. The fun factor guaranteed. This one at Sabina Park. So yes, soca, lovely soca. Who's keeping score?
Are you ready? Are you ready for it? Are you ready?
Silly question for this crowd. Ready and with a pick to prove it. Wound up about something. At these prices, better enjoy every moment. From bottle to bowled over. Taylor Swift at a soca party? Why not?
Hello! Soca
Lots of water for you.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Antigua! Antigua is a vibe! One night is a vibe!
Indeed.
Amen! We're doing this for the vibe. Tomorrow is tomorrow Sheldon's problem. So tomorrow I'll figure it out. Hopefully, you know. But tonight we're having fun.
You think you're gonna make it all the way till 10 a.m.?
If I have another shot, probably I won't.
Are you a big soca fan?
Not really, but I will be.
What do you think if Mark Golding or Andrew show up tonight?
You know, I would say, hey bro, God, what's up? Just have fun, you know? Let's soca it out.
Soca Plus from 10 to 10. 12 hours packing in lots of party.
Majority of this crowd is going to last till 10. I think the endurance is there, and I think Jamaica is on the verge of now, you know, developing like an international status for festivals. I've had this idea for a 12-hour event, which we kind of got inspiration outside of Jamaica. And we just tweaked what we had last year. We took different elements of different events that we had mad, that we were involved in, and we merged everything into one. Clearly, soca is a main part of it, but you know, it's soca plus dancehall. We have to embrace the Jamaican culture. It's soca plus hip-hop, soca plus Afrobeats, which is also very mainstream right now. Soca plus whatever you like, and that's what we kind of singing and signaling to people. You know, this festival is about inclusiveness. Everybody is welcome.
No doubt about it. The Isle of Soca promoters onto something. Place corked.
We projected a certain number. We have met that number, probably surpassed it a little bit, so we're very happy. As I said, we learned from last year, we improved, and we kind of reset the program and we came strong, and people seem to love it.
Many here to see Destro.
What happened out there? Yes, I should not be surprised because exactly how I left it, I came back and picked it up right there.
You think Jamaicans can keep up with it like the Trinidadians?
Jamaicans love soca a long time. People are just only now becoming aware that Jamaicans have loved soca. So you see anywhere there is party and fete, and I already set the mood. Everybody excited to be here. We go until the break of dawn and plus.
Destro's been there, done that, and still game to whatever opens doors even wider to music from the Caribbean.
I just think that, you know, we need to tap into what the energy is at the time. We have it already. We just need to knock on the door and open it.
What do you think about the new Trinidad song coming out of Trinidad?
Well, I think they need Destro and a Trinidad. And then it will be complete.
Any plans to do any collab with any of them in the future?
Right now, I am trying to do different things because I've done it all. So I'm experimenting, I'm open, and I love music and I love being creative. So we're gonna make anything that opens happen.
Long night, and they're still going. A few literally hanging on. Dawn breaking on Sabina Park, and some Soca Plus patrons, with a few exceptions, getting the most of their 12 hours before heading home.
Ha 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 ho ho!
Yo, the people have a piece of energy. It just shows say, like soca crowd undefeated. We know some tired, but we know no matter what, our people come to enjoy themselves. Once you please the ladies, you're good, and we're good.
If it was 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, I will still be here, okay? I love the one night event because everybody's just out one time and it's just like good. I love it.
So good. I'm actually drunk, but it's so good.
You have to mentally make up your mind, hey, 10 to 10, 2 to 10. It doesn't matter the time. You just come to enjoy yourself and drink responsibly.
I think it would be a good look if Andrew Holness or Mark Dolan came out to support an event like this right now.
It would. It would be a very good look.
Safe to say you will be able to make it to 10 a.m.
Absolutely.
A lot of people weren't so lucky though.
No, I saw some unfortunate souls when I was coming in that didn't understand the need to pace themselves at a 12-hour party.
Soca all year these days. Jamaica going soca, you think?
Listen, you can't talk to me about soca. I soca all year. Before soca was in Jamaica all year. I just love soca, so it's a good thing. How can you not love soca? I mean, seriously.
People attention span dip, them energy level dip. So you see this? This is a challenge and I love it.
You think you're fabulous enough to handle that challenge?
No, I'm mad enough to handle the challenge. Fabulous gone out the door. This don't require fabulous. This requires monstrosities. Let's go.